Hi, I'm Priyanka. Do you know our beds and sofas are laden with dust, mites and allergens which are not visible to our naked eyes? Today I've got this UV bed vacuum cleaner which helps to get rid of it all. Let's take a look at it. The Nextlev Dust Mite UV Bed or Upholstery Vacuum Cleaner comes with a power of 600 watt. It can be used on multiple fabric surfaces. It comes with an easy grip handle and a power button to switch it on and off. This is the 350 ml detachable dust box. Let's take a look at it. Gently pull the cover to take it off and you can see it comes with a large capacity. HEPA and sponge filter ensures minimum release of dust and bacteria back into the environment. These are washable and hence very easy to maintain. One thing to note here is that the dust tank may easily come off when the bed vacuum is switched off. It may fall off even if you flip the vacuum cleaner, however it will not happen if the vacuum cleaner is switched on, so nothing to worry about. The UV light present on this vacuum cleaner kills bacteria, dust mites and other contaminants, fostering a germ-free environment. For UV exposure protection, the UV light comes with gravity sensor, that is, it works on the surface and cuts off when the vacuum cleaner is lifted. You will find 3 small wheels at the base of this vacuum cleaner which enable easy movement of this vacuum cleaner on any surface. It comes with double beat technology. The 2 rectangular buttons here beat the surface and shake off dust and contaminants. It's just like how we manually beat a surface to shake off excess dust. It comes with a 4-meter long power cable which helps you cover the entire bed with convenience. And here's the user manual. The small and compact design makes it very easy to use. It removes dust, mites, pollens and allergens. And the UV technology of this vacuum cleaner has the same effect when we keep our mattresses and beds under sun for drying. Not just that, it easily pulls small crumbs and similar particles from the surface. You don't even need to take off the sheet from your bed for cleaning because of the powerful suction this vacuum cleaner provides. The Nextlev UV Dust Mite Remover provides 4-in-1 deep cleaning with dehumidification, UV light, HEPA filter and double beat technology. Not just bed and pillow, it keeps allergens and pollens away from sofa as well. You can use it on your sofa, bed, pillows as well as carpets. It's great for people with skin sensitivity and dust allergy. As you can see, because of the roller wheels it has, it easily glides on the surface. You need to empty the dust tank after use. Take off the cover and separate the sponge filter and HEPA filter. You can dry clean or wash these filters and dust tank, but if you wash them, ensure that you thoroughly dry them before the next use. Look at the amount of dust collected in a batch of small runs. The Nextlev UV Dust Mite Bed Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for every house to keep dust and allergens away.